Particle nature of light. The physical universe is made up of matter and energy, distinct from each other. Matter is corpuscular in nature and it has mass and inertia. Based on these properties, the law of conservation of matter is established. In the beginning of 19th century, it was experimentally found that the light energy is radiated in discrete boundless of energy called quantas or photons. It is called Planck's law. This was followed by Einstein Photoelectric emission, which confirmed the corpuscular nature of radiation.